Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, on this Thursday, the 28th of January, Basil Chapman here. I'm the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour. Coming up straight after this, Tiger Financial News Network noon update. Dow's up 583 points after a weak pre-market open. In fact, it was down quite a bit, and then it came back strongly, gapped up at the open, and in fact, it is up 585 points at 30,888, and that has actually gone fractionally above yesterday's gap down open, and it's a huge green candle. This is very impressive action so far on the day. Let me just do this quickly. I wanted to show you that the high that was made on the 21st of 31,272, that essentially yesterday turned the closing price into a sell mode. Does this become now a new buy signal? I don't think so. We've got to give it some time. The day's end. There are a lot of things going on today. One of the reasons why I think that when we say they, I don't know who they is, but it was really necessary for the market to show some strength, not 600 points on the upside, but at least 300 points, was because if you look at the all the talk, in fact, once it hits your local news, which it did here, certainly Newton, Massachusetts, it was on the local news, talking about GameStop. They even had this guy outside of GameStop, one of the very few GameStop stores, talking about it. Down 74 points at 273. It hit a 483 round number open, moved to the upside after the open today. But it actually hit 513 intraday, and it had a little bit of a pullback. It went down to 112.25. So to mitigate this kind of loss potential that we're seeing in the general public, I think it was really necessary to say, hey, your big portfolios that you have, your portfolios that you have are holding very well. Don't be afraid. We don't want to scare everybody out of the market. The S&P's got an inside bar so far today. It is up huge. It's up 69 at 38.20. The all-time high of 38.70 made on the 26th. I still think we're in a consolidation phase. It just means that we probably have raised the low bar is now, the support is raised. The QQQs are up 5 at 324, also an inside day. And the Russell 2000, the small caps, is up 43 cents, but it's a little bit weaker than the others. I'll be back. We'll talk a lot more about this when I get back for the Tiger Technicians Hour coming up in a few minutes. Also, check out my opening call, my daily newsletter. Be back in a few minutes. Otherwise, we'll see you same time tomorrow.